Welcome to this exclusive webinar hosted by the Cloud Institute. We're an IT training company focused on upskilling individuals and teams on cloud platforms through hands-on practice and personalized coaching.
Today, we'll explore the transformative solutions that the Cloud Institute brings to the table. Our first service, Reskill and Redeploy, is tailored for teams seeking a seamless transition in this dynamic tech landscape. We provide targeted training to equip your workforce with the latest skills, ensuring they stay relevant and productive. Our tailored program aims to keep your organization ahead of the competition by minimizing attrition costs and seamlessly aligning your existing talent with emerging opportunities in the dynamic tech landscape.
Moving on to Upskilling, our second offering designed for continuous improvement. This Cloud Institute solution offers a strategic approach to workforce development. Upskilling is not just an investment in your team, but a strategic move to future-proof your organization. By offering a comprehensive and personalized approach to learning, we empower your team to adapt, innovate, and thrive in today's dynamic business landscape.
Project Readiness, our third service, ensures your teams are well prepared for the challenges of real-world projects. This solution is more than just a training program. It's a strategic approach to building a foundation for success. We go beyond theoretical knowledge and dive into practical aspects, simulating real-world scenarios, conducting hands-on exercises, and instilling a mindset geared toward efficient problem-solving.
And then there's our comprehensive recruit, train, and deploy service. Cloud Institute can help you assess applicants' skills or source new candidates and train them per your company's specific talent skills gaps. Injecting new, diverse talent into your workforce offloads your current staff, reduces attrition, and enables your organization to focus on larger service implementations.
According to a report by LogicWorks, 76% of IT leadership underestimates the time and cost of cloud management. 90% of IT leaders plan to expand their modern software engineering and cloud environments, yet 80% say inadequate employee skills are holding them back. IT executives see the talent shortage as the most significant adoption barrier to 64% of emerging technologies. Our proven track record speaks volumes. The Cloud Institute has successfully guided numerous IT companies through these transformative processes, resulting in enhanced efficiency and a competitive edge. In a world where staying ahead is not just an advantage, but a necessity, Cloud Institute stands as your strategic partner. We don't just adapt to change, we drive it. Explore the power of reskilling, upskilling, project readiness, and our end-to-end recruitment solutions.
So, are you ready to future-proof your team? Contact us today, and let's embark on this journey of innovation together. Thank you for joining us.